What's up, internet? I'm back. It's Rad. It's been a long time, guys. Sorry I've been gone so long. I had some work things I had to take care of. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've made a video, almost a month. Sorry about the gap. I was doing some work-related things. For the show today, I'm gonna go down here to the old gas station and meet up with McMuppet, and then him and I are gonna ride over and meet up with some other people, and then we're gonna go see about a bike night, see what's going on with a bike night. We might end up just riding around. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Man, my last video was on the exhaust on the old DRZ here. I love it. I love it. Sounds so good. See, what is gas today? Gas is $3.13 out here in Vegas. God damn, what do they think I'm made of money? Jeez, what a ripoff. Nice. Alright, we met up with McMuppet. We're ready to go. Is it McMuppet or is it McMuppet? I have no idea. I don't have one of those. That's the button that you press on a Gixxer to hit the NOS so you can go really fast, if you guys didn't know that. So I don't normally take the DRZ on the highway. This is a first for me. We're doing 66 miles an hour. It feels like this thing is shaking really bad. Like there's a very high frequency vibration. I think it's just from the exhaust. I don't think it's because the bike's about to fall apart. This bike does not do the interstate though. Hey, you guys want to go behind Smith's and smash light bulbs or something? You ever seen, was that Pineapple Express that they do that? Or no, it's 40-Year-Old Virgin. Did I do that? Yeah, we need to race. We haven't had a race in a while. C2 dubs, rad. Just to the other side of the intersection. I'm so nervous. Man, I love that CBR 954. That's a nice looking bike he's got. Yeah. Well, our evening had to get cut short tonight because one of my friends' bikes broke down. I'm gonna go home and get the truck and come pick him up. When a fellow biker friend needs a ride, you give him a ride. Cause pretty sure he'd do the same for me. Alright, internet, I'm gonna go save my friend, and I'll talk to you guys later on. We'll have another ride later. Anyway, thanks for coming out, thanks for watching my video. If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button. If you like my video, hit the like button. As always, remember to keep it rad, and I'll see you guys next time.